All right, today I'm going to show you how to operate the Frigidaire Laundry Center. For this particular model, they have two different types of models for the laundry center. Okay, you have the gas version, you have the electric version, but there's also two different models. This is the older model, and I'm going to show you how to operate it. This is the one with just the knobs. There's no fancy light ups like the newer version has. So I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay, so this is the dryer above it, and there is the washing machine below it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your laundry pod, okay, or if you have liquid laundry detergent or powder, you're going to put that inside of the drum first. It's a rather large drum, okay, rather large drum in there, all right? And if you have bleach, you add bleach to this right here. That's the compartment for adding bleach, okay? So after you added the clothes to the, after you added the detergent to the washing machine, you're gonna take your clothes, put it inside of there, and then you're gonna come up here to controls, okay? The dryer controls are to the left, as you can see right here, and the washer controls are to the right. All right, we're gonna go over the dryer controls and the dryer after I go over to the washing machine, so stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna go over the washing machine, all right? Controls. The first is the wash rinse temperatures, as it shows right here. You have the option of the hot cold, which is hot, okay? The cold cold, all right, and then also the warm cold, okay? So you make your selection. Generally for white clothes, I use hot. Color clothes, I use cold or warm cold, okay? So after you make your selection for the water temperature, you're gonna move over right here where it says load size, okay? Depending on how many clothes that you put in here, you're gonna make a selection for small, medium, or large, okay, for the load side. And once you select that, you're ready to move on to the next phase. The next phase is the washer machine, okay? The washer machine controls. What are you washing? You have options right here. You have controls for the whites, okay? The whites, you can select it for the whites. You have colors controls, and then you also have the knits and delicates, okay? So say, for instance, you have some things that are delicate, you want to use the knits and delicate option. All right, now to make the selection, what you're going to do is you have this knob. It spins around like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to press it, and then you're going to turn it to make your selection. Right here I have whites, and it starts at 15. Once you make that selection, you pull it out, and then you're ready to roll by shutting the wash machine, and it will start to fill up. When it's open, nothing will happen, all right? So say, for instance, I didn't want the white, all right? I'm going to press it in and go to whatever I want. Say, for instance, I just want to rinse. I'll go there, do that, and then shut it, and it starts. And you can do the same thing if you want to switch the colors. Go there, and remember to pull this knob out for it to control, all right? You can go all over the board. You can go to start for knits and delicates. Pull it out. Remember, very important. Shut it, and it starts, okay? So we're done with this, showing you this, and so I'm going to go ahead and go to off, pull that out to make sure it's not set, and then we're going to go over to the dryer. So after you've done the drying, washing the clothes, you're going to take the clothes out after it's done, and you're going to put it inside of the dryer, okay? You put your clothes inside of the dryer. Don't forget to remove the lint, okay? Here is the lint filter. Very important that you do that. You also can take this out and remove the lint if there's so much caked in. But remember to place it in and make sure that it is in property. It says this is the front right here. All right, so once you have your clothes in there, the lint filter is cleaned. You're gonna go ahead and shut it. And then you're gonna come down here and then you're gonna make your selections. The first one is temperature selection. You have the delicates low heat. Say, for instance, you don't want it really hot, or you want the whites high heat, you can make the selection for right here. All right, so whites high heat is what I have in there. And then I'm going to come over here to the dryer selection. You have the dryer selection. You can have time dry. It starts off at 100 minutes right here, and it goes all the way down, and it comes all the way to the cool, but you don't have to set it for 100 minutes. You can actually have it for 40 minutes, okay, whatever you want, okay? And then when you set it, you just press start, and it starts like that, okay? It's drying like that. To turn it off, all you have to do is come up here, open the door, and the dryer will shut. So say, for instance, you don't want time dry. You can go over here, right here, to automatic dry, and you can make a selection for more dry, normal dry, or less dry, or cool down. Whatever your selection is, You make that selection and you press start, and that's how you dry the clothes just like that. All right, so that's how you operate the Frigidaire laundry center. I'm going to leave the model number in the description part of the page so you know which model this is. That's how you use this Frigidaire laundry center. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.